Hello everyone, welcome to Excel Beginner Series video number 6. So in this video we will learn related to ribbon and quick access toolbar. So let's start. So first let's talk about the ribbon. The ribbon is a strip at the top of your Excel window. You can see this is a ribbon and it contains all the main commands and tools you need to work in Excel. Okay. The ribbon is divided into tabs such as home, insert, draw, page layout, formulas, data. Okay, and in this each tab have a some group. Okay, like in home tab have a font group, alignment, numbers, styles and cell. And in this group have a buttons in option like bold, italic, underline, border, fill color. Okay, that's it. So let's see to customize ribbon. So to customize ribbon, simply go to the file tab and click on the more, then click on the option, and here you can see the Excel option dialog box is open. And here you can see you have some section list. Just click on the customize ribbon option, and in customize ribbon you can see the all command list, and here the all tab list. You can see here the home tab, insert tab, draw tab. Okay, as showing here in the ribbon, you can see in the ribbon. So here you can add a new tab and you can add new commands also. So I just add here the new tab. Just click on the new tab option. Okay, and you can see the new tab here showing. Just click on it, then click on the rename, and just I add the name take. Okay, then click on OK. Then in this tab you can add the new group also. Just click on it and click on the rename. I just add here the ABC group. You can add any symbol also. Just click on OK, and you can see in tech tab have a ABC group. Now in ABC group you can add some options, some buttons also. So you can see here the popular commands. Just click on this drop down arrow and select the all commands and wait for the few seconds, and here you can see the all command here showing. Okay, simply select the command. So I just simply select the here data bar, and then select here your group and click on the add, and you can see data bar is added. Same as I select the dark shading and click on the add. In ABC group added some option. Okay, now I just click on OK, and that's it. Here you can see your tech tab is added with these two options. Now let's see the quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is a small toolbar usually located very top left corner of Excel window. Okay, it gives you quick access commonly used like the save, redo and undo. Okay, the best part is you can customize it. Just click on the small drop down arrow next to commands. Okay, here you can see the small drop down, just click on it, and you can add here the some option. You can see you can add new, open, emails, quick print. So I just click on the quick print, and you can see the quick print option is added in quick access toolbar. Okay, and if you just click on this arrow, if you want to add more command, just click on the more commands option, and here you can see the Excel option dialog box is open, and here you can see the quick access toolbar, and this is a quick access commands you can see, and this is a all option is showing here. Okay, so you just simply select it and click on the add, and here in quick access toolbar the option is added. Again I select the calculate now and click on the add, and here in quick access toolbar the all option is added. Now I click on OK, and you can see the calculate now and other option is added here. Okay, now you can use, just click on it and you can use it easily. And if you want to remove these options, simply right click on the mouse and click on the remove from quick access toolbar, and it's remove. And if you want to hide the quick access toolbar, simply right click on the quick access toolbar, and here you can see hide quick access toolbar. Just click on it, and here you can see your quick access toolbar is hide. If you want to show again, simply right click on the ribbon, and here you can see show quick access toolbar, and here you see your quick access toolbar is showing. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe.